what?
Denial about everything. About how Mama died, and about why you want to keep Brother Boy cooped up like some damn animal.
And why is that, pray tell?
Never mind.
No, I want to hear this.
Look, all I am saying is that, well, you know how close me and Ty are.
Don't you dare bring my son into this sordid picture. What does my son have to do with this?
All I'm saying is that Ty has more in common with Brother Boy than you're willing to admit.
Oh, Lord.
And I think you blame Brother Boy for the way Ty is.
Ty isn't anything, so you just shut your mouth about my son-in-law.
I went out to L.A. to see a play he was in. You did what? I went out to L.A. to see Staccato. Opening night. He was real good. Sissy, the play was spectacular. It was very sensuous, with a powerful message. And I went out afterwards with Ty and the all-male cast, and we went to an all-male bar. And
my son's not a homosexual, so just shut the hell up. I don't want to hear this.
You're in denial, Latrell.
I am not in denial. Would you quit saying I'm in denial? I am not in denial.
All right, I'll quit saying it. But it ain't gonna change the truth, and the truth
I
is
don't want to hear the truth, LaWanda. Did you ever think I don't want to know the truth?
Quit smoking if I'd have known Sister was going to die. I was standing by my window on one cold and cloudy day when I saw the hearse come rolling for to carry